Welcome children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have class 3 assignment on the topic Earth and the Mars. This is very small topic. Earth and the Mars is a very small topic. We try to merge these two concepts in Match the Following. Let me see whether you are able to answer the bits or not. Just observe it. It is little complicated. You feel when we'll start doing the assignment, you feel little complicated, little confused. Let me see whether your confusion and complication can be sorted very clearly and very clarity. Okay, let's start. Let's begin. Mars. Mars, among this, what is the option? Okay, you have Earth here, water, Mars rotates, 2 moons, red planet, supports life. So Mars goes to which option? Mars is also called as red planet. So the option is F. F is the answer. Right. Let's go for blue planet. Now, you know, when the astronauts go into the space and when they take the pic of our Earth looks like blue in color. Okay. So I said the answer, blue planet, Earth. Earth is called as blue planet too. So where is Earth here? A. A is the answer. Right, children? Let's go west to east. What is west to east? Is a rotation of one planet where we all are existing, we are living there. Earth rotates from west to east. When I say west to east, it rotates like this. Okay, this is west, it rotates like this. Okay, west to east is nothing but rotate. The answer is D. D is the bit. Okay, west to east is D bit. Is that clear? Let's go for the fourth option. Fourth planet. Fourth planet. In our solar system, what is our first planet, second planet, third planet, fourth planet? Okay. Earth is in the third orbit. Mars is in the fourth orbit. So the fourth planet is Mars. Where is Mars here? C. C is the answer. I hope you're clear with all these options. Let's go for the fifth, Earth. Here is you have Earth, here is also Earth. That's the reason I said it's a little bit confusion for you people. But you need to understand, when you know the concept thoroughly, you're definitely able to answer all the bits. Now Earth, what is left out here? Whether it is 2 moons or red planet, supports life? Yes, Earth supports life, right? Where we are all living and existing. So the Earth, fifth is the question, and what is the answer here? F. Is it F or it is G? G is the answer, supports life. So Earth is G. Is that clear? Now coming to 2 more. With this we are going to conclude the assignment. 2/3. Okay. Why I said here blue planet? Why Earth is called as blue planet? Because we have 2/3 of water. We have 2/3 of water, and when you see from the space, the Earth looks like blue in color. 2/3 of water is consist of the water bodies. 2 is to what? 2 is to 3. 1 part is landmass and 2 part is of water bodies. So 2/3 is nothing but water. Water is the answer. B is the answer for this. Is it clear? I hope the confusion part is completely erased for you right now. You're able to answer. Now coming to the last one, red planet. Now what is red planet here? Definitely red is nothing but Mars, right? But what options is left out here? Earth has 1 moon, and whereas Mars has 2 moons. So does any option is there which consists of 2 moons? Yes, E is the answer. Right, children? Now I hope this concept Earth and Mars, which we have very less content, and that small content is thoroughly equipped with so much of information. I hope with this Match the Following, you are able to answer the content, you are able to answer all the bits thoroughly. Please read the textbook. Please make a habit of reading the textbook and read the concept thoroughly. I hope with this, we conclude the assignment. Read, children, read thoroughly and perfectly with all your content. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.